Hello and welcome to Grandmas4Hire Pet Sitting. In this video, I'd like to show you how to install the Grandmas4Hire Pet Sitting app on your Android phone. First, visit the Grandmas4Hire.com website using the Chrome browser on your Android phone. That's Grandmas4Hire with the number 4.com. You must use the Chrome browser for this to work. You should see a pop-up asking you if you want to install the Grandmas4Hire Pet Sitting app. If you do, simply press the install link. If by some chance you don't see the pop-up, press the three dots in the upper right of the Chrome browser to access the Chrome browser menu. Select Add to Home Screen towards the bottom of the choices. That's all there is to setting up the Grandmas4Hire Pet Sitting app on your Android phone. Cheers.